Hello everybody, it's standard 5th, subject is English. Let's start the exercise of chapter number 3, My Brother, My Brother. As you can see, there are some oral questions. Read these words aloud. Resort. Say everybody, resort. 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 Doomed. 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 Expedition. 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 Bitters. 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 Blaze. 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 Now, very first number of oral question, as you can see, very first number, do you think Shersi should have gone to find his father and not taken his brother alone? So its answer is over here, a very first number, no, not at all, because it would have wasted precious time. Okay, what's the answer? No, not at all, because it would have wasted precious time. The next one, second number, from which book has this extract been taken? Who is the author of this book? So the answer is over here, second number answer. This extract has been taken from the book My Brother, My Brother, written by Nora Burke. Written by Nora Burke. So again I repeat, this extract has been taken from the book My Brother, My Brother, written by Nora Burke. The next one, MCQs, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer in each. Very first number, how did Shersi take his brother to Kalagaj? So there are four options. A number, made him walk with him. B number, carried him on his back. C number, carried him in his lap. And D number, carried him on his shoulders. So the answer is B number. Answer is B number. As you can see, answer is B number. This carried him on his back. Carried him on his back. Second number, why did Shersi glance around uneasily on his way to the hospital? So again there are four options. A, he saw tiger track. He saw tiger tracks. B number, he saw bear tracks. C number, he saw elephant tracks. And D number, he was lost. So the answer is B. Again, answer is B. He saw bear tracks. He saw bear tracks. C number, why did Shersi breathe a prayer on thanks? So again there are four options. A, the bear had run away. The bears had run away. B number, the elephants had run away. C number, the tiger had run away, and D number, they had reached the hospital. So the answer is again B. Answer is again B. The elephants had run away. The elephants had run away. Now read an answer. In a written, read an answer. Very first number, how old was Circe? So the answer is over here, Circe was 12 years old. Circe was 12 years old. The second one, read an answer second. What was his brother suffering from? Again, what was his brother suffering from? What did his mother suggest? So the answer is, as you can see, very second number over here, his brother was suffering from a pain in his stomach. His mother suggested that he must be carried to the hospital at Kalagat. I repeat the answer once again. His brother was suffering from a pain in his stomach. His mother suggested that he must be carried to the hospital at Kalagat. Third number, what did Circe's father do for the expedition? So the answer is of third number over here, Circe's father worked as a drum beater. Circe's father worked as the drum beater for the expedition. Fourth number, what happened when Circe saw the elephants? Describe the incident. So its answer is, fourth number, its answer is, Circe saw the elephants. Circe saw the elephants below him on the river bed. The great old tusker was playing his trunk to and fro to feel the breeze. The tusker came around towards the boys. Circe chilled with fright. Suddenly the tusker hurried on angrily up the riverbed, and all the herd went with him. Again I repeat the answer, fourth number. Circe saw the elephants below him on the riverbed. The great old tusker was playing his trunk to and fro to feel the breeze. The trunk came around towards the boys. Circe chilled with fright. Suddenly the tusker hurried on angrily up the river bed, and all the herd went with him. Fifth number, 5. Why was the second river flooded? So its answer is of 5 number. Its answer is over here. The second river was flooded because a big head of snow must have melted. I repeat the answer once again. The second river was flooded because a big head of snow must have melted. 6 number over here. How did Circe cross the second river? So the answer is, 6 number over here. Shersi gathered some grass and made a rope. He tied the rope around his brother and himself and entered the water just above the wreckage of the bridge. He kept the child's head above the water, and each by each moved along and crossed the river. I repeat the answer once again. Shersi gathered some grass and made a rope. He tied the rope round his brother and himself and entered the water just above the wreckage of the bridge. He kept the child's head above the water, and each by each moved along and crossed the river. Seven number, complete the square. 7 number, it is over here. Complete the sequence below to find out how Shersi reached the hospital after crossing the second river. So very first you can see, cross the river, after that cross the road, he went to the road, then after that better road, and after that village, and after the village he went with people, after the people he sit in bullock cart, and then in truck, and then hospital. Okay, again I repeat, cross the river, then on the road, then better road, then village, then on the with the people, and then he sat with his brother at bullock cart, and then he sit in truck, and then he reached at the hospital. Now think and answer. Think and answer very first. Which part of India is the story formed? So its answer is over here. Very first, this story might be from the foothills of Himalayas, because one can find the flooded river because of snow melted down there. Again I repeat the answer. This story might be from the foothills of the Himalayas, because one can find the flooded river because of snow melt down there. Second number, do you think Shersi loved his little brother? So its answer is yes, Shersi loved his little brother very much. I repeat the answer once again. Shersi loved his little brother very much. Third number, why did Shersi tie the rope around his brother and himself? So the answer is, Shersi tied the rope around his brother and himself so that they could remain untied in the flooded river. I repeat the answer once again. Shersi tied the rope around his brother and himself so that they remained untied in the flooded river. Fourth number, give 5 adjectives to describe Shersi. Give 5 adjectives to describe Shersi. So answer is, fourth number answer is over here. Intelligent, brave, loving, caring, laborious. Again I repeat, fourth number, intelligent, brave, loving, caring, laborious. Now fifth number, narrate the situation in class when you acted as a brave boy or girl and helped someone. So here, dear students, you are encouraged to share your own act or your own situation you can describe. Okay, so your own things you can write it down over here. When you have helped to your friends, when you have helped to your brother or sister, that you can write it down. Okay, so 5 number you can write it down by yourself, by your one incident, any kind of incident you can write it down when you have helped your brother and sister or your friends. Okay, now reference to context, read this sentence and answer these questions that follow. I will wring out rigs in boiling water and lay them on his stomach. A number, who said these words and to whom? So the answer is Shersing's mother said these words to him. B number, on whose stomach does I want to lay the rigs? So the answer is I want to lay the rigs of the stomach of Circe's little brother. C number, why does I want to lay the rigs? So the answer of C number, I want to lay the rigs because Circe's little brother had a pain in his stomach that was getting worse. And D number, what happens next? So the answer is, as the rigs did not help to reduce the pain, Circe's mother said that the little boy must be carried to the hospital at Kalagat. There is a hard question. Do you think Circe's name suited him? Again I repeat the hard question. Do you think Circe's name suited him? So its answer is over here. Circe's name suited him very much. Though a 12 years old boy, he was as brave as lion. He did not think about dangers of the jungles and long journey, and carried his brother on his back and took him to the hospital. So dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. This whole exercise you just write it down one time in your notebook. It's your homework. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.